see a hole!
Uh-oh, we did it now. Hey, guess what? Gonna do something different today. We're actually gonna work on the trailer. What we're planning on doing is this. Show it to you. That's right, it's a window. What we're gonna do, we're gonna actually install a window on the outside of the trailer, about where that light is at. So it's gonna be in this area here. So what we're gonna try to do is make a big hole on this side, on the other side, and put 2 windows in this sucker. Last weekend at the track, it was raining, and there's absolutely no windows. So when it's shut in there, we don't know what's going on outside. So we decided to order a couple windows and go ahead and got them in actually yesterday. So we're going to go ahead and try to get these suckers installed. We're going to try to show you the steps how we install it. So hopefully it goes good. We'll grab that whatever the cut locks out of the door with. We're going to make a hole in here. The reason why we're going to do that, we need to find out where these studs are located at so we can get this thing centered up on this best we can. Because those studs are what, 16" on center, and this thing's like 14.5, so we have to get that thing perfectly centered. So we're going to drill a hole, do some exploratory surgery. So more to come here in a second. Somewhere in the middle, we're good, right? That's what I'd do. It's gonna be fun. Oh, we have a people. Ooh, that's two pieces of metal on there. Just get it close. Okay. Oh, there's 2. So I don't know. No!
I see a hole!
Uh-oh. We did it now. Look at that.
Go all the way through!
There's 2 pieces of metal there. I think they just overlapped it. I don't know.
They're right in the middle of the sheet.
Huh? Okay, now we're going to find out where this stud is this way and this way so we can get this window centered between the studs. Okay, first issue. We went to measure from the hole this way to see where the end of this stud was. Then we went from measure from this hole this way, and come to find out, look at that. There's a stud right here. Okay, so there's nothing screwed to it, but this stud goes from all the way top to all the way down. So what we're planning on doing is cut out a big square here, rectangular, and so we can get this measurement back here. So we're going to remove part of that tube out, then we'll see how we're going to address with this tube, what we're going to do with our stud there. So anyway, more to come on how we're going to resolve this. So already got a hole, we're kind of stuck now, so so onward. Okay, this is what we're talking about. Have that in our way. So now we figure out how big our opening should be, and how we're going to deal with that piece. Maybe we'll have to do anything with it. I don't know. Board fall. Okay, what we did, I don't know if you can see, we outlined where the window is going to get cut, where we're going to make the opening at. We did our best to make sure the measurements are correct. So the real test when we cut it open and see if we did it right or not. So yes.
Yes. Make it bigger.
Okay, so I'm gonna time lapse this cut out, so it's gonna take some time. So here we go. As you can see now, we have a hole. Came out pretty good. We're gonna have to trim out some of the wood around the inside. Apparently the jigsaw, as it was cutting, is cutting kind of more like an angle instead of straight. So what you can see here, you can see some trimming of the wood that we're gonna have to do to make that opening a little bit bigger. The outside, that trim ring just about fits. Yeah, we got to take care of some of the trim out stuff. Of course the car's in here and it's got sawdust everywhere. Not too sure why I didn't take it out. But anyway, we're gonna make this hole just a little bit bigger so we can get that ring. There's a ring that goes on the inside that actually screws to the window on this side. So anyway, going to try to get all this fixed here, and more to show you later. Well, it's installed. Kind of looks good. Go ahead. Yeah, he's got the light on now so you can see what it looks like. It is a tinted window. Show what it looks like on the inside. That's what it looks on the inside. Not too bad. A little bit of cleanup on the trim, get that painted, make it look good. But other than that, I think that's a success. Now we got a mess to clean up. So, yep. Anyway, well, that concludes it for this project. Well, not actually. We got one more window to put in. That window is actually going to go on the opposite wall. So, but that's going to be done at a later time. But anyway, hope that gives you some insight what it takes to install one of these windows. Other than that, I think we call that a wrap. So anyway, if you like what you see, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. So this is Ken. I'm out of here.